English conversations between Sarah and Ria related to the future continuous tense. What will you be doing tomorrow at 5 p.m.?
I will be studying for my exams.
Will you be watching TV at night?
No, I will be reading a book.
Will you be coming to my house in the evening?
Yes, I will be visiting you after work.
What will you be wearing to the party?
I will be wearing a red dress.
Will we be going to the mall this weekend?
Yes, we will be shopping on Sunday.
Will you be cooking dinner tonight?
No, my mom will be cooking for us.
What will you be doing on Sunday morning?
I will be jogging in the park.
Will you be taking your dog for a walk in the evening?
Yes, I will be walking him at 7 p.m.
Will we be meeting at the cafe after class?
Yes, we will be discussing our project there.
Will you be attending the dance class tomorrow?
Yes, I will be practicing for the performance.
Will you be traveling next month?
Yes, I will be visiting my grandparents.
Will you be working on your assignment at night?
Yes, I will be completing it by 10 p.m.
Will you be listening to music while studying?
Yes, it helps me concentrate.
What will you be having for dinner?
I will be eating pasta.
Will you be attending the meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I will be presenting my ideas.
Will you be celebrating your birthday at home?
No, I will be celebrating it at a restaurant.
Will you be watching the football match tonight?
Yes, I will be cheering for my favorite team.
Will we be going for a movie this weekend?
Yes, we will be watching the new release.
Will you be helping me with my project?
Of course. I will be working with you.
Will you be visiting the library tomorrow?
Yes, I will be borrowing some books.
Will you be going to school early tomorrow?
Yes, I will be preparing for the test.
Will we be playing badminton in the evening?
Yes, we will be playing at 6 p.m.
Will you be taking an online course next week?
Yes, I will be learning graphic design.
Will you be practicing yoga in the morning?
Yes, I will be meditating as well.
Will you be coming with me to the bookstore?
Yes, I will be buying some novels.
Will you be calling me after class?
Yes, I will be calling you at 4 p.m.
Will you be joining the singing competition?
Yes, I will be performing my favorite song.
Will you be baking a cake for the party?
Yes, I will be making a chocolate cake.
Will you be playing the piano at the event?
Yes, I will be performing a new piece.
Will you be staying at home this weekend?
No, I will be visiting my cousins.
Will you be going to the gym tomorrow morning?
Yes, I will be working out at 7 a.m.
Will we be meeting at the cafe after work?
Yes, I will be waiting for you there.
Will you be visiting your aunt this weekend?
Yes, I will be spending time with her.
Will you be practicing for the debate competition?
Yes, I will be preparing my speech.
Will you be cooking something special on Sunday?
Yes, I will be making biryani.
Will we be revising for the test together?
Yes, we will be studying in the library.
Will you be celebrating New Year's Eve at home?
No, I will be attending a party.
Will you be going on a picnic with your family?
Yes, we will be visiting the lake.
Will you be helping me decorate my room?
Yes, I will be bringing some fairy lights.
Will we be taking notes in the workshop?
Yes, we will be learning many new things.
Will you be waiting for me at the bus stop?
Yes, I will be there at 8 a.m.
Will you be learning a new language next year?
Yes, I will be studying French.
Will you be playing cricket with your cousins?
Yes, we will be having a match on Sunday.
Will you be shopping during the weekend sale?
Yes, I will be buying some clothes.
Will you be writing a blog post tomorrow?
Yes, I will be sharing my travel experience.
Will we be doing yoga together next week?
Yes, we will be attending a new class.
Will you be going on a road trip soon?
Yes, I will be traveling to the mountains.
Will you be preparing lunch for your family?
Yes, I will be cooking pasta.
Will you be listening to your favorite podcast at night?
Yes, I will be relaxing before bed.
Will we be taking lots of pictures at the beach?
Yes, we will be capturing every moment.
Will you be attending an online seminar next week?
Yes, I will be joining on Zoom.
Will you be watering your plants in the morning?
Yes, I will be taking care of them daily.
Will you be making a to-do list for the weekend?
Yes, I will be planning my schedule.
Will we be working on the science project tomorrow?
Yes, we will be finishing it together.
Will you be watching a movie with your brother?
Yes, we will be watching a comedy film.
Will you be wearing your new shoes to the party?
Yes, I will be trying them out.
Will you be visiting the dentist next week?
Yes, I will be going for a checkup.
Will you be listening to classical music while studying?
Yes, it helps me concentrate.
Will we be going for a morning walk tomorrow?
Yes, we will be walking in the park.
Will you be drinking coffee in the evening?
No, I will be having green tea instead.
Will you be attending the poetry reading session?
Yes, I will be reading my poem too.
Will we be learning about space in science class?
Yes, we will be discussing planets.
Will you be preparing a speech for the event?
Yes, I will be practicing it tonight.
Will you be buying a new phone this year?
Yes, I will be upgrading soon.
Will we be practicing for the dance competition?
Yes, we will be rehearsing every day.
Will you be joining a new hobby class?
Yes, I will be learning painting.
Will you be helping your mom in the kitchen?
Yes, I will be making dessert.
Will we be going to the museum this Saturday?
Yes, we will be exploring the art gallery.
Will you be visiting your friend in the hospital?
Yes, I will be taking some flowers for her.
Will you be wearing a sari for the function?
Yes, I will be trying it for the first time.
Will we be singing together at the event?
Yes, we will be performing a duet.
Will you be traveling abroad next year?
Yes, I will be going to Europe.
Will you be making a YouTube video soon?
Yes, I will be vlogging my day.
Will we be donating books to the library?
Yes, we will be giving our old books.
Will you be organizing your closet this weekend?
Yes, I will be cleaning it properly.
Will you be visiting the orphanage for charity?
Yes, I will be donating clothes.
Will you be planting trees with the group?
Yes, I will be volunteering.
Will you be applying for a scholarship next year?
Yes, I will be submitting my application.
Will you be reading a new book next month?
Yes, I will be starting a mystery novel.
Will you be attending the music concert next Friday?
Yes, I will be enjoying my favorite band live.
Will we be having a picnic in the park next Sunday?
Yes, we will be bringing snacks and games.
Will you be visiting your uncle's house this summer?
Yes, I will be staying there for a week.
Will you be participating in the drawing competition?
Yes, I will be sketching a landscape.
Will you be going for a swim in the afternoon?
Yes, I will be swimming at 3 p.m.
Will we be eating lunch together tomorrow?
Yes, we will be trying the new cafe.
Will you be studying late at night today?
Yes, I will be revising my notes.
Will you be watching the sunset at the beach?
Yes, I will be taking some beautiful pictures.
Will you be traveling by train next week?
Yes, I will be enjoying the scenic journey.
Will we be celebrating Friendship Day together?
Yes, we will be making it special.
Will you be going for a haircut tomorrow?
Yes, I will be getting a new look.
Will we be working on our group project in the evening?
Yes, we will be meeting at my place.
Will you be sending me the notes after class?
Yes, I will be sharing them with you.
Will you be wearing traditional clothes for the festival?
Yes, I will be wearing a sari.
Will you be helping your younger brother with his homework?
Yes, I will be teaching him math.
Will you be driving to your hometown this weekend?
Yes, I will be visiting my grandparents.
Will you be preparing for your job interview next week?
Yes, I will be practicing my answers.
Will you be joining me for morning coffee tomorrow?
Yes, I will be meeting you at the cafe.
Will you be making a greeting card for your friend's birthday?
Yes, I will be crafting something special.
Will we be enjoying our holidays together?
Yes, we will be making lots of memories.